Good. Say hi. Can you be a little more polite? Would you like to introduce yourself? Are you famous? What keeps you safe? Good. Are you a pirate? Can you blow a kiss? Can you toot? That's gross. How about some animal sounds? Can you do a red wolf? How about an owl? The pretty songbirds? How about a rooster? Can you do a horse? Good. How about a pig that needs to go on a diet? How about your best friend, the skunk? Stinker. Can you fall down? Did that hurt? Cry like a baby. Can you do a cat? How about a dog? Can you bark? Good. Got a big cat from the jungle. Can you fly on the spaceship and shoot the lasers? Gonna make everyone scream. That sounds evil. Can you do water? How about a knock at the door? Can you help me start the car? What'd you do for a peanut? Good. Can you get down? Can you sing? How about some opera? Figaro? Good. Can you sing in the shower?